Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Autochartist Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Autochartist is the most popular automated pattern analysis tool available to Forex traders. It constantly monitors thousands of CFD assets, looking for trading opportunities and providing technical analysis back to the user. Needless to say, it is a very powerful tool, and many traders won't enter the market without it. Due to its popularity, many brokers offer Autochartist as a free plugin for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. Though in some cases, you may need to reach a minimum deposit threshold before being able to use it. Be aware that if you are a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 user, and your broker does not offer it for free, you can still get an individual subscription to Autochartist. Autochartist also has a mobile application for both Android and iOS devices. This is fully functional and will sync with your desktop version. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Autochartist Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Autochartist Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. Forex Capital Markets Limited, or FXCM, is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, authorized and regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the Forex Capital Markets Limited, and is part of the Leucadia Company, which offers users the ability to trade on Forex pairs, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, Zulutrade, FXCM's proprietary trading station, as well as Capitalize AI, which is a super system used for building your own trading model. Their proprietary trading station is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, and can be used as a web trading platform that can be accessed directly from your browser. FXCM offers only one type of live trading account for retail clients, but there is also a professional account if you are building or managing an institutional investment portfolio, as well as an active trader account if you're a high-volume trader. These accounts feature competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account deposits, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex trading for beginners guides, a plethora of training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to at any time if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with FXCM. At number 4 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss is a European brokerage firm that was established in 2012 in Switzerland. The company has a reach that spans over 125 countries, with a client base of over 1 million registered accounts. BDSwiss offers traders the opportunity to trade an array of financial instruments, such as currencies, stocks, commodities, indices, and more. Their accounts are available on Demo, Classic, VIP, and Raw spread accounts, with lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, live support, daily analysis, free live webinars, access to over 250 instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, BDSwiss Web Trader, and their Mobile Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. BDSwiss also provides their very own educational research and learning panels, which cover daily videos, daily market analysis, technical analysis, Forex educational ebooks, beginner Forex lessons, a variety of live educational videos, as well as seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with BDSwiss. At number 2 on our list is Axie. Axie, formerly known as Axie Trader, is an online broker which was founded in 2007. Authorised and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, with its head office located in Australia. Axie specializes in Forex, indices, commodities, precious metals, oil, and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as a browser-based web application and is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, Professional, and Islamic accounts, with lower spreads, no minimum deposits, a free 30-day demo account, access to a variety of tradable market instruments, virtual private servers, and Autochartist, and more. Axie also provides their very own educational center, which delves into beginner's guides to getting started with Forex trading, a collection of free video tutorials, free ebooks, a trading blog, and more for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional education with Axie. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Autochartist Forex brokers, we have FX Pro. FX Pro is an online, fully regulated financial broker that was founded in 2006, with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FX Pro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution. With no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CYSEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FX Pro specializes in services and trading through Forex, share dealing, spot indices, futures, spot metals, and spot energy trading. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FX Pro C-Trader, and the FX Pro trading platforms, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a C-Trader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic, and demo accounts. FX Pro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, a variety of webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FX Pro. And those are some of the top 5 best Autochartist Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.